Welcome everyone! Today we're stepping inside a beautifully compact, modern home designed specifically for single person or a couple. We're working with a smart 4x7.5 meter footprint, which is around 30 square meters, and as you'll see, every inch is utilized perfectly. This house has one bedroom, a bathroom, and enough open concept. Starting from exterior part, we designed detail to fit in plan, and you notice that every single one at clean and modern vibe, from space utilities to the same few colors and texture. Deep blue, white walls, and rich wood accents give a warm welcome and peaceful feel to everyone. In this aerial shots, you can see very well the whole structure of this single-story box design with a flat roof, which adds more modern view. So before to go to interior part, I encourage you to watch the whole video, because at the end of it, we shall see more alternative exterior designs that can fit to this house. Now let's step inside. As we move out of the entrance area, you immediately step into the heart of this home, the open concept living space. And seriously, this feels so much bigger than 17 square meters because areas are more connected. Kitchen, dining, and living room are all here. But before taking a look to them, let's talk about this tiny useful feature. Just to your side, we have built-in hallway storage and a vanity mirror area. Perfect for checking your look before heading out the house. It's a simple, functional corner that really helps keep clutter off the main living floor. Now, let's look at the kitchen. We went with a classic modern color palette here, crisp white lower and upper cabinets, paired with a warm wood grain countertop and a terrazzo backsplash. Even if the space is narrow, we've managed to find a place for every necessary tool that helps while cooking, like a gas stove. A sink with a modern faucet, a designated space for your fridge right at the end, and open space to place microwave and enough upper cabinet for addition storage. The range hood is neatly hidden under the upper cabinet, keeping the lines clean and modern. Moving right into the dining zone, we have this fantastic set that matches with our colors. For me, I love the style that adds just the right amount of life to the room. If you were looking for a little more space, you could easily swap the round dining table for a fold-down wall table and transform the corner into a walk-in pantry. And then we have the living room area, which is actually part of the same continuous space. We've created a focal point on the wall using horizontal wood slats, where we've mounted a flat screen TV. Above it, there's a shelf where you can put different decorations like flower or other gorgeous ornament, and here, use an elegant chandelier, adds a touch of class to the ceiling, other type of light. For seating, we have 2 meters sofa space. Behind the sofa, there's a multi-canvas art piece and wall, giving the whole room a modern, energetic feel. It's a great setup for relaxing or having a few friends over. Now, let's head over to the bathroom. It's tucked away for privacy, but it's spacious. We've kept the same modern aesthetic here with terrazzo tiles on the floors and walls. It features a sleek glass sliding shower door with a rain-style shower head, a nice wooden vanity with a vessel sink, and a heated towel rack on the wall. We also have a mirror and a toilet tucked away neatly. It's compact, but it has everything you need for a refreshing morning routine is here on 4 square meters. Moving to the right back of the living area, we enter the single bedroom. The 7.5 square meter space designed for relaxation. This room managed to host queen-size bed, and that is what we have here. A large bed with a deep blue upholstered headboard that matches the house colors to make it more clean. Right next to the bed, there's a simple nightstand with a soft, close drawer. Enough wardrobe on the right side of entrance. It's a beautiful piece of furniture that also provides tons of storage. And of course, the bedroom features large double glass doors that let in incredible natural light. Speaking of those glass doors, let's step out back and see what we've got there. A beautiful private outdoor patio area is all we have. Its paved area could be the perfect spot either for your morning coffee or some quiet reading. Used as utilities, place like laundering or outdoor kitchen. There's also a small landscape to add more natural and balance in your compound. And that is it. All you have to know is that there is no limit to live. The beauty of this 4x7.5 meter layout is its versatility. It adapts to however you want to live. So now it's time to leave you with a few alternative ideas for exterior design of this house. Possible 5 design, and after you will tell me you favorite in the comments section. Thank you so much for touring this small modern home with me today. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more architectural tours. I'll see you in the next video.